Welcome back. Harvard Business Review shared an intriguing guide to managing your newly remote workers. Let's discuss this review. While it's preferred to have the time to plan and organize company restructures, the recent pandemic quite literally knocked the planet off its axis, and many businesses did not have the necessary time to prepare for the sudden transition to remote work. Luckily, there are countless case studies available for reference with step-by-step guidelines to assist with the constant changes in current working environments. Suggested ways for management to support remote employees consisted of the following: implementation of structured daily check-ins. For remote workers, check-ins can be more specific or more sporadic, but should be scheduled bi-monthly, at least to ensure all team members remain on the same page. Not to mention, change is inevitable, especially present day. When the future is not quite certain, being agile and adaptable workers is crucial for future successes within any company. Utilize multiple communication platforms. Incorporate different ways for your team to communicate with management and other teammates, like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Hangouts, WhatsApp. There are many options available to preserve interesting and open communications among remote working teams, in-office teams, and the management. Set clear expectations, or as they refer to in this case study, rules of engagement. Update these expectations regularly to avoid stagnation within the team and inspire motivation. Additionally, provide a trust circle between management, the team, and the team members. Establish compassionate, emotional support and understanding for your team. Life can be challenging, and a bit of kindness and positivity goes a long way for team morale. When discussing emotional intelligence, it has been well researched, and the ripple effect is another interesting subject. The attitude of management is imperative to setting the tone or the mood of the entire team. Have you ever had a negative manager that provides harsh and inaccurate feedback? How did it affect your team's morale? How was your team's productivity? Providing positive affirmations, confidence, and support have a significant impact on the team. The mood or tone of the team is set by the leader, often the management. So it is important to train management to have a positive impact on any team, but particularly for remote teams. Managers should be confident and compassionate, understanding, but not to be confused with a doormat. Effective management consists of strong leadership and consistent support for their employees. Starting with management's leadership skills and best management practices, consistent assessments and reviews for all employees will ensure the teamwork is up to par. Guiding a remote team to success begins with the skills and practices of management. Successful remote teams have the support of a compassionate, well-trained management team. It is important to remember how impactful the ripple effect can be within team settings. Effective leaders can take any company to the next level with the right remote team in place. Prove that it is advisable to incorporate management training and evaluation. The team will work better as a unit if all parties involved have the essential tools, best practices, and positive energy required to get the work done.